In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple locations on Fresha, perfect for expanding your business or managing multiple venues. Start by logging into your Fresha account through your web browser. Once logged in, go to the main menu and click on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. From there, navigate to Business Setup and select Location. In the Location section, click the Add button to start adding a new location. Fill in your location details, including the location name, contact number, and email address. Accuracy is key since clients will use these details to reach you. Queries are next. Select your main and secondary business types. This helps Fresha tailor options and notifications to your services. Now, enter the physical address for this location along with any billing details such as company name and relevant notes. These details ensure smooth operations and prevent future confusion. Finally, set your opening days and hours so clients know when they can book appointments. Once all details are correct, click Save to lock in your new location. And that's it! You've successfully added multiple locations on Fresha, making it easier to manage and grow your business efficiently.